I'm rich. Good afternoon, morning, or evening. I'm the Mainly Digger, and I'm in Westbrook, I think. I'm on the I don't know where I am. I've got a guerrilla metal detecting. I'm on Scott River Trail. Around Westbrook, around Portland, Maine. And I just kind of saw it and I stopped. I had an appointment in Portland, so I got some time to kill. And so I'm down here. I started, actually, the second part of this video is in Clinton at an old mill site that they turned into a park. Except I couldn't find anything on the mill except pictures that I couldn't use, and it was just like I couldn't find any information on it at all besides the name, which was Skiland Woolen Mill in Clinton. There's a long history, like verbal history. It's kind of cool because a lot of people would stop and talk to me about the mill, and I had a lot of funny back and forth with different people. I mean, you'll see. I swear in this video once, and it's funny, so watch it. Mainly Dig out. So this is the presumed Scott, I hope I'm saying that right. I'm probably not saying that right. River trail. This is the river that I'm on right now. Real gorgeous. Like I wanted to make a video about magnet fishing. I saw the bridge, and then I saw the rocks, and like in my head I'm like, yeah, I can do that. But my ankle is like, no rocks, no climbing over rocks. We're not doing that today. So I was like, okay, I'll do some metal detecting. So we'll see how it goes. Some easy metal detecting. Hopefully it's an easy, or I'll find a lot of things. Just a gorgeous day, gorgeous morning. Look at that. Look at that. That's the first find of the day. I didn't even dig. It was surface find. I actually was almost sitting on a rock, and that's pretty cool. No idea what it is. Probably something for a bridge, or the bridge. Look at that bad boy. No, don't know what it is, but yeah, it rang up low. But that's pretty cool. I'll pick that up later. So this is a button. Pretty sure it's a button. It read in the high 90s for a signal, and it was fairly easy to get to, so I dug it. Kind of the theme of the day today. So that's cool. It's cool. It's fun. I love finding things, obviously. That's pretty cool. I no idea what it is. Maybe a weight, or like a fishing weight. No idea. That's pretty cool though. I'll have to, when I go back, I'll see if it's made out of lead or not. So here at a it's a carry-on site where you carry on your canoe or whatever and put it in, but it is another leg of the trail. So it's kind of cool, different spot. I'm gonna go magnet fishing now and throw my magnet around. So this is gonna be cool. First throw of the magnet fishing season, which is anytime really, so it's just the first throw in a while. I'm excited to throw this magnet around. This is the only reason why I have the the mag gear right now is because it was in the car, easily accessible, and I've only used it once where I almost died. Not died, a little dramatic, but I definitely was cold. I had to go in the water to get it. Hopefully that's not going to happen today, and we'll see how it goes. So for a random quick adventure, this was just awesome. I got some magnet fishing out of it. I got some stuff from magnet fishing, and this is an earlier find. I love this. This is surface find, and this right here. This is the charming. This is my favorite find of the day. There we go. Words. Turn it over. See, also another find. Weight, which obviously that's not lead. So if this is lead, it won't be magnetic. It is not magnetic, so it's not lead. So good times. Crazy day. I gotta go to my appointment. So first find of the day, first two finds, first hole actually, is a nail and a piece of metal. I am at, this is Clinton, and this used to be an old mill site. Now it's a park. The mill was built in the mid to late 1800s, as far as I know. We'll see. Well, I'll see. I'll look it up later. I've been here before and got in the, well, I wasn't in the water, but I did some stuff down by over there. So anyway, so another piece of random metal. It has an edge though, which is kind of catching my eye. And then I found this also. I just forgot to record it. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it goes to, but yeah, it's not like a bullet. A bullet does that too, but it's not, it doesn't have any sharp edges. No idea. And it's like aluminum. Anyway, so this is pretty cool though. I like that edge there. That's awesome. First coin of the day is a dime from 1977. It's about, what it tells me is about 2 inches down, so that gives me kind of a time frame. We'll see. Another coin from the 70s. Good color to it. I like it. I kind of just went around here and then started going, like, went to that end and then started going back. Kind of methodical. Not really methodical. Anyway, funny story. There's a truck pulled up just for a second, just stopped and was like, "Hey, you're swinging too fast," and then just took off. And I was like, oh. At first I was like, oh, you know, whatever, screw you, blah blah blah. And I was like, maybe I am swinging too fast. And then I found the penny. Good stories. All right, I'm out. Found a bullet. That is awesome. A fired bullet projectile. Anyway, so I kind of moved from that area. There's a lot of large pieces of metal, and this is a public park, so I don't want to dig up large pieces of metal and make big holes. So that is why I've moved away from that little box area right there, which I'm pretty sure was a building, kind of, I'm guessing. Anyway, I'll check the maps and see what it looked like. Another penny. Good time, still digging. So another penny from the 2000s era. This place is filled with stories today, or common occurrences. So a guy pulled up there, walks over, and I'm digging this up, and he's like, "Oh, that looks expensive," and I'm like, "Yeah." And he's talking about my metal detector or whatever and my gear, and he's like, "Hold on, I'm about to swear." He's like, "You a bougie bitch," and then he walks off. All right, I don't know if that's an insult or, I mean, so it's kind of my theme of the day, picking up pennies. I'm bougie, more like boozy. I would go with boozy, but bougie. I am not rich. I wish I was. I'm rich. I think I just called people over here because they see what I'm doing. The people are gonna come over here now. I just found a penny. I can't get over the bougie comment. It's hilarious. Anyway, it's from 2013. I'm not rich. Oh, another penny from the 70s. That's pretty cool. I'm about here. I'll probably go to somewhere else or go magnet fishing. we'll see how it goes. It's a pretty spot.